Are we ready for Disney?
Yay! We sound so enthused, don't we?
I know. Why you guys sound so excited?
Listen, it's 8 in the morning.
Remember, 90 minutes after 3 a.m.
Were you talking about wheelchairs and scooter or something? You sure?
At least here they have a lot of shades.
He's wearing duck shoes.
I sit in the office all day. Exactly how they walk.
Yep. Oh my god, all this look like
Anyone else want something from Starbucks?
Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it's not bad at all. We're parking all
Can we cross through here? Oh, there's the drums. We gotta come and play the drums.
It's okay for now. Wait till we get inside the cave.
Oh, really?
2 hours worth of queue. Yeah. Every time she shoots it.
Yeah, nowadays, I'm not surprised anymore.
I didn't know that.
I didn't even see that one happening. Like a spinning.
Inside the thing, on the ground, or to the thing.
Oh, wow.
He was still
He's so big.
That's probably their real life size.
Yeah, you gotta lie. I'm shocked.
Fun little fact. The things that scan everyone in here, there's a bunch of little Xbox Ones.
I know, but I can't take any more. ผมว่า是不是很多那个还是个
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. Maybe got the hot soda. Now hot soda helps.
Yeah, I know. Keep it that.
safari guide today as we make our way into the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Now that brown animal is known as an okapi, and if you look closely, you'll even be able to see that okapi is wearing those zebra party pants today, as it has its hounds. Now we actually have 2 black rhinos here on either side of that tree log there, so just in that bush standing up is known as a greater kudu. Now bongos are known as the ghosts of the forest because they are often rarely ever seen. Well, now hippos can hold their breaths for about 8 minutes underwater at a time before coming up for air. But now over to our left there, we actually have a few sable antelope there. Those animals underneath those palm trees there are known as Ankole cattle. Now the cattle's horns can grow to be about 4 to 6 feet long, and they are not hollow. Now a group of giraffes like this one to our left is known as a tower because they do tower over every animal of the savannah. And they are the tallest animal in the world. So a lot of times you will see them using their trunks to fling dirt and mud along their backs as a way to act as a natural sunblock to help coat and protect their skin from the hot savannah sun. Now the male lion's mane weighs around 40 pounds.
You don't need to show me.
Un día pasé.
There used to be an oil rig. Yeah, the tree.
Really?
Yeah. Used to be a giant oil rig, and then they just built the tree around it.
Wow.
Animal Kingdom, they're all about repurposing.
Me and Daddy are doing jungle trek because Daddy has motion sickness.
Not a good day. She said we had to be over the bridge.
Yeah. Look at all the buffaloes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at Daddy. Daddy got motion sickness from Avatar.
Wow, there's so many of them. Look at that, they had their own nest already.
Yeah.
And she's building.
Oh yeah, she's building her nest right now.
Wow.
Look at those birds right there.
They're making. Birds. Mommy's favorite. I know something is in there. I don't know what it is.
So what's the difference?
He's come to eat his food. He's hiding under there.
This is when me and Ye took the kids to Animal Kingdom when they were little. Goodbye, Animal Kingdom.
Only animal. Whole bunch of animals. Whole bunch of animals.
We did not come through here this morning, did we? Oh, we did? Oh.
This is my spot right here where it's raining.
Oh,
What is this spot? A hiding spot?
yeah. When it's raining, bamboo now. So
Yeah.
tall.
Yeah.
Look at we're all wet.
I don't know.
It's okay. That's what Florida is all about.
Yep. We are now leaving Animal Kingdom and going over to Epcot.
Epcot.
It's cold everywhere.
Oh yeah, remember that thing?
I don't know.
Wow, look at all the flowers. I know. Right here, look.
There, big show, the new show.
Oh, like Minnie.
Oh yeah, now they let you take picture with Minnie. You go take picture with Minnie? Huh? Minnie. Minnie Mouse. There's Minnie Mouse right there.
People do that.
A lot of the characters are not the cute.
I haven't seen, I haven't seen characters at all.
Yeah, because they're all in there.
Yeah, they only started bringing them back just recently.
Yeah,
I think it's only been like a month or one.
the pandemic. Wow, so pretty. Can it buy?
Yeah, well, she's already seen it. She wants to see orchids that she's never seen.
Go, 뭐太多呢，那个。뭐 뭐太多呢？ It's so pretty though.
I like the one that's more good.
It's so pretty because we're in here.
I know, and it feels so good.
Oh, it feels so nice right here. I don't know where the fan is coming from, but no. Are you sure? I think this is a fan.
There's no fan here.
Oh, I don't know.
The door is open.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a beer cart.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you had to do the beer.
Rose boba.
Oh, let's go boba.
Bubble milk tea.
I think here is the chairs.
Yeah. Oh, 그래서 여기 전용 거래요. Oh, look at the little train, Camille.
That's cool.
Yeah, we need to make our backyard look good.
Yeah.
I can imagine. I could do this in my yard.
You can, Kajua.
Backyard.
Yep.
You can too, yeah.
I can't plant these. Yeah. Yeah, I like those,
I don't
Kajua.
know what they call.
Elephant ears too, right? Aren't they?
Oh, yeah, they are. They're the big ones.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the cactus. I mean, the circular. That's a different color. I never seen that color before.
Yep. So nice. Where are the kids?
They're sitting over there. They're not coming with us.
No.
But I like that.
that Daddy used to bake for. Oh, ratatouille! Ratatouille!
Oh, Brennan. Ratatouille.
Yeah.
Remy.
You come in and you come in like this.
Oh, look, Tinkerbell.
Oh, Kimberly, Tinkerbell, Kimberly. Kimberly. This is pixie dust, Kimberly. This by far was the best fireworks I have ever seen. It included all the Disney songs from all the Disney movies, but I had to mute it for obvious reasons.